Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to put an Infiniti G37 into neutral when its battery is dead. This is a crucial skill for towing or moving your vehicle. To start, make sure your car's ignition is completely off or in the locked position. For your safety and to prevent any unexpected movement, always engage the parking brake firmly before you begin working on the shifter. Then, find the small shift lock cover, typically located on the shifter panel. Now, let's access the release mechanism. Take a small, flat tool, like a flathead screwdriver or a sturdy knife, and carefully pry off the shift lock cover. It should pop right out with gentle leverage. Once the cover is removed, you will see the shift lock release. This is typically a small, white, spring-loaded piece that needs to be depressed. Be gentle when removing the cover to avoid scratching your interior trim. With the shift lock cover removed, it's time to engage neutral. Take a small, sturdy tool, like an Allen wrench or a thin screwdriver, and insert it into the opening. You'll feel the spring-loaded mechanism. Push down firmly on this release and hold it there. While keeping the release depressed, press the button on your gear shifter and move the shifter into the neutral position. This action bypasses the electronic lock, allowing the shift. After successfully moving the gear selector into neutral, you can now remove the tool from the shift lock mechanism. Double-check to ensure the shifter is firmly in the neutral position. Your Infiniti G37 should now be able to roll freely, making it ready for towing or repositioning. Remember, this process is a temporary solution for a dead battery, so be sure to address the underlying battery issue promptly to restore full vehicle functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.